What if the man you loved was hiding a secret so shocking it could destroy your entire life? This is the unforgettable story of Jane Eyre. Orphaned at a young age, Jane grows up facing cruelty, loneliness, and heartbreak. Sent to a harsh boarding school, she refuses to let suffering break her spirit. Instead, she becomes stronger, wiser, and determined to build a life of her own. Everything changes when she becomes a governess at the mysterious Thornfield Hall. There, she meets the charming yet troubled Mr. Rochester. As love blossoms between them, Jane finally believes happiness is within her reach. But on their wedding day, a terrifying secret is revealed. Rochester is already married, and his wife has been hidden inside Thornfield Hall all along. With her heart shattered, Jane walks away from the man she loves rather than betray her values. Fate then rewards her with a new family, unexpected wealth, and one final chance at true love.